Hey folks, I'm John Laspina. I'm the Carnivore teacher. I got a request to talk about how to stop losing weight, believe it or not. And there are some people that believe that when you're losing weight by going keto, ketovore, carnivore, by going low carbohydrate, yes, the weight comes off for a lot of people very rapidly. People who are 300 and 400 pounds are losing all of those pounds and getting to their optimal weight. What is an optimal weight? I'm going to use me as an example. I am 5'10". I weigh 165 right now. I have been all the way up to 220. That was not my optimal weight. When I started eliminating the carbohydrates and sugars and seed oils very rapidly, within 3 or 4 months, I went from 220 all the way down to about 170, 165. I'm right around 165 right now. It didn't keep going to 150, 140, 130, 120 until I disappeared, until I evaporated. My body stabilized where my body knows it needs to stabilize. The body is smarter than we give it credit. Our body stops losing weight at the optimal time. So keto, ketovore, carnivore, low carb is not a weight loss diet. They are weight optimization diets. You will only lose what is unhealthy. And if you want to push it a little further, you push it with more fasting, and you can go a little further, but your body will not lose more fat than your body wants to keep. It's a simple answer to the question. Your body just won't allow you. Actually, it's the other way around for many people. Many people who are losing weight, and they're getting very good success with doing it this way, they hit plateaus and they can't lose any more. That's because our body has been programmed genetically through thousands of years, millions of years, to stop losing weight because it thinks you're in a famine. You know, years before we had electricity and the Industrial Revolution, we had famine. We underate. We didn't have enough food. So the body learned through thousands and thousands of years to hold on to the fat and to hold on to the body weight because it believed that you were going to die because you weren't getting enough food. And that is the case today. Still, our bodies haven't changed. We haven't caught up with our evolution. We will lose weight, but we will also plateau. And you can push through the plateau if you want to lose more weight, but your body stops losing weight at its optimal number, at its optimal point. What is your optimal weight? I don't know. Mine is 165. It's where I am right now. It's where I feel the healthiest. I don't go much higher. I don't go any lower. I can stop eating. I can add more fatty red meat. My body likes where it is. And so my answer to that person's question, and I think they were asked that question by concerned relatives, is your body just finds its optimal weight and it stops losing more. Okay, you're building muscle when you eat this way. You're building fascia, which hold the tendons and muscles together when you eat this way. Your bones become more dense when you eat this way. What is this way? Beef, lamb, pork, poultry, fish, eggs, using saturated animal fats if you want to add more. No carbohydrates or very low, and no sugars. And I suggest no artificial sugars as well if you can get to that point. So I hope this answered your question, my person who asks. And for anybody else who is interested, how do you stop losing weight once you start losing it on keto carnivore, is your body knows, and your body stabilizes, and your body is optimized at the weight it's supposed to be. I've been doing this for 5 years, ladies and gentlemen. And I've been at 165 for 5 years. I eat like a horse, but I do. I eat more now than I ever ate before, and I'm so satisfied and happy with my food. But no, I don't eat bread. I don't eat pizza. I don't eat pasta. I don't eat potatoes. I don't eat sugar and carbs or seed oils. But I'm eating a heck of a lot of that other great stuff. Beef, lamb, pork, poultry, fish, eggs. All right? Have a great day, everybody, and enjoy your food like I do, and you will hit your optimal weight. Your body knows.